Hello, everyone. Welcome to Top English Podcast. My name is Moon, and today we're going to talk about a problem that, honestly, almost every English learner faces at some point. You might be thinking, I understand English. I can watch videos, I can read, I can listen, but when it comes to speaking, nothing comes out. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You're not alone. And more importantly, there is nothing wrong with you. Today, I'll explain why this happens and also give you simple, real solutions that actually work. Okay, first, let's understand the problem. Why can you understand English but not speak it? It feels strange, right? Like your brain understands everything, but your mouth just refuses to cooperate. So let's break it down. First reason, you are doing a lot of input, listening, watching, reading, but very little output, speaking. Think about it like this. If you watch cooking videos every day, does that make you a great cook automatically? No, right? You still need to go to the kitchen and actually cook. It's the same with English. You understand because you've trained your ears, but you can't speak because you haven't trained your mouth enough. Solution: start speaking, even if it feels awkward. Talk to yourself. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works. Like, I'm opening the door. I'm making tea. I'm checking my phone. Do this every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Second reason, you are translating from your native language to English. So what happens? You first think in your own language, then try to convert it into English, and by the time you're ready, the conversation is already gone. That's why you feel slow and stuck. Solution: start thinking in English. Don't use big sentences. Keep it simple. Instead of thinking, I will go to the market to buy vegetables, just think, go market, buy food. Simple English is better than no English. Fluency comes from speed, not perfection. Third reason, and this is a big one, fear. You're scared that people will laugh or judge you or think your English is bad. So what do? You stay quiet. And the more you stay quiet, the harder speaking becomes. Solution: change your mindset. Making mistakes is not a problem. Actually, it's proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So next time you feel scared, just say, okay, I might make mistakes, but I will speak anyway. Confidence grows after you speak, not before. Fourth reason, you don't practice real-life speaking. You might know vocabulary, grammar, everything, but you don't use it in real situations. So when someone asks you something simple like, what did you do today? Your brain goes blank. Solution: practice small conversations. Start with simple questions. What did I do today? What am I going to do tomorrow? What do I like? Answer them out loud. Or better, find a friend and speak English for 5 minutes daily. Even broken English is okay. Just speak. Last reason, you want to speak perfect English. Perfect grammar, perfect sentence, perfect pronunciation. And because of that, you don't speak at all. Let me tell you something honestly. Perfect English doesn't exist in real conversations. Solution: focus on communication, not perfection. If people understand you, that's success. Instead of saying, let me make a perfect sentence, just say, let me express my idea. That's how fluency is built. So yeah, if you understand English but can't speak, it's not because you're bad at English. It's because you haven't trained the speaking muscle yet. Start small. Speak daily. Make mistakes. Keep going. And trust me, one day you'll suddenly realize, wait, I'm actually speaking English now. All right, guys, this is Moon from Top English Podcast. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, don't just understand English, start speaking it. See you in the next episode.